What's up, guys? We are at Beach Bend Raceway Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and we are at SCT Street Car Takeover. About to run the Shelby. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a line. We're here early this morning. There we go. That big truck right there has slicks on the back, even though it's a dually bed, so that already looks cool as hell. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a roll racing today. We got here a little early to let this cool off, get things done. What else? So yeah, we're going to videotape. I came last year, car didn't do too well. We've done a lot of cooling mods, so hopefully that'll help. We're going to get you guys some footage of the Shelby running, get some footage of other cars running. And pretty much all we did, drove up here, put some boost tank in the tank to help prevent against any detonation. If it gets hot, because it's supposed to be 90, and that's about it. So we'll keep you guys posted, and we'll start back here in a minute. T-type, whatever. This thing is beautiful.
Probably one of the best track racing cars you can ask for.
Just beautiful.
And a pretty rowdy little 750 box body.
Alright, so the Shelby didn't do bad. We're at a 10.7 at 126 in the heat. We're going to go back up. All the cooling mods worked out really well. So, we're really happy with it. And there's the supports. Cutie with the booty. Yeah, everything's together. There's another Shelby that's running 12.12. Same Mercedes, so doing well. Got that rag top box up here. That thing runs pretty dang good. Gonna try to get him a W out of this. Got a fender over there on that Mustang with about everyone's autograph on it. Yeah, that rag top box rolls down there. 127 gets there first. C7Z06 left side lane, Mustang right side. Got more debris off the Mustang. These Mustangs keep dumping stuff on the track. You guys got to make sure everything's bolted down tight on them. There you go. Alright guys, that's the conclusion to the racing. This video is a little bit older. Actually took this in 2020, so we're sitting here at 2023. Basically just got a hold of a better editing software, so posting videos is much easier now and not as time consuming. But basically this video, the Shelby had huge heat issues the prior year, and basically what would happen is the intake air temp 2s would get so high. It would pull so much timing that like a 500 horsepower car would outrun us. So this went very well. I moved up to a bigger blower that I didn't have to run as hard, so got rid of some heat that way. Biggest thing is I went to a 2013 Shelby GT500 pump with what they call the bypass mod. It's basically just better coolant flow mod, but it helped significantly. One downfall that I found with the car, it has 410 gears, and when it's supercharged, you don't really need the torque multiplication of that. So I really needed to slam down in third and take off, but every time I did, except for the first run, it would pretty much just spin, and I'd have to short shift into fourth. So this being 2023, I've got drag radials now, and we're going to take it back and see what kind of improvement it is. You know, do that whole faster garage thing. Let's see how much faster we can make it. So I'm super excited to take it back this year and see if we can pull off better times. Because honestly, that's one downfall to a bigger blower. It's like a bigger cam, so you really want to leave at higher RPMs with it, because it won't pick up in the lower RPMs like a blower that you're just overdriving to death. So we're going to go back to Street Car Takeover. We're going to try to put down a better time, and hopefully this winter we're going to add some more horsepower to it. That's the biggest plan. Maybe not like a huge game, but maybe like 50 or so, and then take it back another year and try it. So that's where we're going to leave off this video.